Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in. So in today's video we're going to be creating a glam look, okay? So kindly stay tuned, okay? So first of all, I started by cleaning her face with wipes, after which I went into priming. I'm using the Zaron oil block mattifying primer today. And then for her foundation, I mixed the Flawless Ivy foundation with the Maybelline Superstay foundation in Truffle Truffe, Flawless Ivy foundation in Honey to get her perfect shade. So for her contour, I'm using the Maybelline Superstay foundation in Truffle Truffe. If you are new here, please do consider subscribing by hitting the red subscribe button down and also the notification bell just beside the subscribe button so that you can get notified whenever I post a new video. I make beauty and lifestyle videos and a whole lot of other videos that you'll definitely be interested in, okay? For her under eye area, I'm highlighting with Elegant Pro Concealer in Fawn, and I am using a brush, and I'm going to apply the Zaron concealer in medium at the inner corners of her eyes. Though you might not see the difference, but it's quite different. The list of products I use will be in the description box below. Kindly check it out. And I always leave lists of products in all my makeup videos, so in case I forget to say. So to blend it out, I am using a brush, and then I went on to use a dry beauty sponge to just make sure everything is in place to prevent creasing. To highlight, to set that area, I am using a powder palette, Elegant Oil Control Powder palette, and then I went to highlight her chin and other parts of her face that I would ordinarily highlight. For her nose contour, I'm using the same Maybelline Superstay foundation in Truffle Truffe.
Lightning strikes by my window. Hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat.
Then I'm using a beauty sponge, a dry beauty sponge, to blend this out. For her brows, I am using the Davis brow pencil in color 3, and I'm just following her natural brow line or brow hairline. To highlight the brows, I'm using the LA Girl concealer in Fawn, and I'm using a flat brush to highlight it, and then I'll blend it out with a blending brush to make sure everything is set, and then I'll set it with powder. To start the eyeshadow work, I am using this bright orange color as a transition color for her eyes.
Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but
And then I went ahead to add more orange. I went in with a darker orange to just add more orange to the lids, and of course I went to blend everything out. Then I went in with this dark brown shade just to, let's say, contour her eyes. Yeah, something like that. But I went in with the dark brown shade. Next, I'm going in with a black eyeshadow, and then the brown is going to help it blend smoothly so that there will be like a kind of transition. Then I went into this benign clown white, and I used the same blending brush I used for her lids. I'm using it to apply this eyeshadow base, and I think I prefer using the brush, because if I use the flat brush, or rather I think I prefer using the blending brush, because if I use the flat brush I make lots of mistakes, and this one is better off. Okay, so I am just taking the flat brush to draw the line of the cut crease. It's going to be the highlight of this eyeshadow work, so the line has to be there. Okay, then I went in with this shimmery shade from Zaron eyeshadow palette in Earth. I'll leave the name on the screen. Then I went into this classic USA 45 color palette, and I took that orange to apply it at the outer corners of the cut crease so that it will just give a kind of transition, nothing special. Then I went back in with the brush I used to apply the black eyeshadow to just blend everything out. And for her brow bone, I still went to apply some white powder there. Then for her under eye, I went to apply the orange I applied on her lids, and also on her on her tear duct area, I went to apply the same shimmer I applied on her lids. I lined her eyes and her waterline off camera, and even applied her lashes off camera. Now I'm just blending out the excess powder like so, just blending it out of her face. For her blush, I'm using this orange shade from my eyeshadow palette. I actually love using orange shades, okay, and I think I will keep using it for a long time. To highlight her face, I'm using this Ewaronke highlighting palette, and I'm using that gold shade there. I think I've run out of this thing. For the high point of her nose, I am using a shade from the Zaron palette, the same Zaron palette I've been using since. For her cheekbones, I went to use the Ewaronke highlighting palette. If I want to get excess highlights, I just go to Zaron. But if I want to just get something very subtle, I use Ewaronke highlighting palette. So to put everything together, I went to use the Avour cosmetics powder. Just made sure everything is set, the whole face is okay. For her lips, I'm using this dark purple lip stain. I actually don't know the name because I got it a very long time ago, but any dark lip stain can work, okay.
Slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real.
I then went to apply this pink lip stain from Fayre Gold, and I sprayed her face with setting spray, and this is the final look, guys. If you did enjoy this video, please do give it a huge thumbs up. Do leave a comment in the comment section what you love most about this look. For me, it's the eyes. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.